What social media platform that you should use to promote your business? Now, if you're asking this question, chances are you don't know who your ideal customer is. You don't know where they hang out on social media. There are many platforms. You've got the big four of them, right? Facebook, YouTube, Google, and LinkedIn, the big four. If you're selling B2B, guess where you should go? LinkedIn. If you're selling an e-com product that showcases well with visual, then maybe you should use Instagram to promote your product or service, especially when it's low ticket, you're going after volume. Awesome. A lot of people on Instagram, a lot of people on Facebook, almost everybody should use Facebook, almost everybody. Of course, you have YouTube. If you are willing to put in the work, it's gonna take a lot of time. This is not make a few videos and money would fall on your lap. Chances are you will have to make hundreds of videos and you have to put in a few years of your time in terms of creating content. Yes, you can use paid traffic. You can run ads on Google, on YouTube, on Facebook. That's a whole different conversation. We're talking about content here, right? So which social media platform that you should focus on, that is dictated by where your audience is. But what I want to emphasize is this, that social media platform is not magic pill. You still need to know your metrics. You've got to have a funnel that converts. You've got to have an offer that works. You have a copy that sells. That doesn't change. Social media gets the eyeballs, gets the attention. That's good, but you still need to convert those. Because I don't want you to think, oh, if I have a lot of followers, my problem is solved. If you have some followers, you're not converting. You're not converting 1,000 people, 2,000 people. You're not going to convert at 10,000 people. You're not going to convert at 100,000 people. More of something that doesn't work doesn't multiply your results. Does that make sense? Comment below. Remember this, that fame without fortune is frustration. Don't do it for fame. Don't do it for popularity. Unless you're that insecure, you need people's validation and you want people to like you and say, oh, you're awesome and give you like little heart. I mean, if that's what you want, that's fine. We're talking about building business here. We're talking about leveraging attention to build a brand. We're talking about selling your product or service. We're talking about scaling your company. Unless you can convert that attention into actual sales, into income, all of this is a waste of time. In my book, to me, it is a waste of time. There has to be a purpose. There has to be a result that you're looking for. Don't do it for the sake of fame. Do it because you want to build something significant. Do it because you want to generate income for yourself and for your family. Do it because you want to get your time back. Do it if you want to promote your brand. But what makes all this work, I believe what makes social media work is one word: copy. Copy. Words that motivate people to take action. Doesn't matter if it's a video, doesn't matter it's a title, doesn't matter it's a description, doesn't matter it's a landing page, doesn't matter if it's an email. It is all copy. Copy is what converts attention into sales, what converts attention, followers into revenue. This is the bridge. This is that gap. If you are struggling with this, if you are getting attention but you're not getting income, you're not getting sales, chances are that's your missing key: copywriting.